So hello guys, welcome to my this video. So guys, now we are talking about the trees. You know about that there are the series which we continue that about the communication and English speaking. These are the tree. This tree is a mango tree, mango tree. So guys, in now that time nature is very most important because of lack of lack of because everybody knew that the oxygen the everybody knew that air pollution is continuously on high, uh, and every state like Delhi every state like Delhi is most affected air polluted state in India. Everybody knew that because this polluted in the city because this polluted because of this, this polluted because of the humans who are never who who spoil the all dirt in across the outside, and you never use the dustbin or mostly use of the petroleum things. It's get affected. So that's why the reason of pollution is on high continuously. It's on high. Delhi pollution is on the high, and there's pollution air pollution is, and their air pollution condition is 200 cpm on on it's very high in India. So guys, we need to use the plants and trees for growth and dehydro and safe from the and safe and then be safe from the bad bad air which affected us more of the time. And so that's the reason. So everybody should be make the plants in every things, uh, in outside the house. We need to use the plants, and daily we need and daily we spread the water, and uses the various type of tree, and which is longer life, and which gives the more hydrated oxygen, and provide and safe from the bad pollutions air. So these are the we needed, because now that time only tree is knowingly who save us from the bad air. But and we also see that the paper is also made by by the trees, but it's not a use the less quantity for the making of a paper. There are a large quantity trees is used large quantity used trees. So guys, so this need is also on high. We use the trees, use less use the less petroleum because of the bad pollution. Now that time electric car, electric bike, electric Activa scooty is also manufactured and also available in India for less less polluted. And now we need to less use of the petroleum which affected the more. But also we see that in Diwali festival, mostly persons use the firecrackers, which affected the more than in which affected than one day, in more affected than 1 year. Only one day is affected more than the 1 year. So as we need to leave leave the firecracker and use the safe things, and also prefer the things who will who is helpful or not. So guys, these are the video of this term. So we are talking about the trees, pollution, oxygen. So everybody knew about that, and there are the responsibility of every person, not any. Every person should be to knowledge about this weather, outside the weather, and save and use trees So guys, these are the video. So मिलते हैं अब आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. ओके.